Hi, this is Sandra Henry-Stocker, author of the Unix as a Second Language blog on Network World. In this Linux tip, we're going to look at the CMP command. It's a command that allows you to compare the content of two text files. Now, if the files that you're comparing are identical, you're going to get something like this, basically no output. No output means the files are the same. And just to show you these two files, you can see that they're both the same length. So it makes sense that they would have the same content. Okay, now if we run a command like this, now the files are different. And what it's telling us is where the difference is. It's apparently in byte 12 on the first line. And if I look at both of the files like that, I can see that yes, it's the second letter in this word and the second letter in this word that are the differences. That's byte 12 in line 1. Well, that is your Linux tip for the CMP command. It tells you if files are different, and if so, reports the location of the first difference. If you have questions or would like to suggest a topic, please add a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the InfoWorld channel on YouTube. If you like this video, please hit the like and share buttons. For more Linux tips, be sure to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and networkworld.com.